Key steps to increase views on YouTube. 1. Optimize video SEO. Use AI tools to find the best keywords, optimize tags, descriptions, and titles. 2. Create engaging thumbnails and titles. AI tools can help you design eye-catching thumbnails and craft compelling titles. 3. Automate social media promotion. Use AI to schedule posts and promote your videos on social media platforms at peak times. 4. Focus on audience engagement. Use AI to understand viewer preferences and make your content more engaging. 5. Leverage AI video editing. AI video editors can help create better content more efficiently, which can lead to higher quality videos. By integrating AI tools into your YouTube strategy, you can streamline processes, increase the reach of your videos, and ultimately boost views on your channel.